thanks for stopping by to check out 50 Cent lick number 4. This one is my own idea. If you mash together Zakk Wylde's playing and Tom Quayle's playing into one quick little lick. So this one's going to focus mostly on A minor pentatonic, really kind of box number 1. You know, everybody learns that pretty much in the first guitar lesson. We're pretty much sticking in that box until we get to the end of the lick. As always, check the description down below and you'll see a link where you can go to my band's Bandcamp page and you can purchase the transcription and the backing track and a demo track for 50 cents. So let's get started. So the first part of the lick is going to be a repeated pattern in A minor pentatonic with a small little stretch out of shape number 1. It might feel uncomfortable if this is the first time you've done a pinky stretch out of the pentatonic box shape. Just remember, focus on good form. Don't put too much pressure on your wrist, and that'll help make the stretch a whole lot easier. So here's the first pattern to work on. It's inside A minor pentatonic, and there's no stretch. Then from there, we're going to move back and forth on the 4th string before we reach up and grab our 9th fret on our 3rd string and basically descend down those 4 notes. So I'll play it again nice and slow. The first part is, then again, and then we're, and that's how the whole thing links together for the first part. Keep in mind that these are 6-tuplets and you want to play them as smoothly and evenly as you can. Remember to practice with a metronome. So one more time. So for the next part, we're going to repeat the very beginning. And from here, we're breaking off and we're going to descend down through the pentatonic shape. Do your best here to keep the picking as clean and as even as you can. So we're... So I'll play it one more time. So the second part again, nice and slow. So I'll play it one more time from the very beginning, both the first and second times together. Alright, great. So let's take a look now at the ascending part of the lick. We're going to be changing from picking all of our notes to using some legato. So it's going to start on your 7th string. And it's basically 2 different patterns. So it's... and then... So they're very subtly different. They're very close to the same. So from there, we just continue through the scale. So I'll play that whole part nice and slow. So now on to the Tom Quayle part of the lick. We're going to start with the blues scale, head on to the 4th string for a second, 3 notes chromatically in a row, back to the 3rd, 1 note on the 2nd, and then onto the 1st string. So the 1st string chromatic idea is going to be chromatic from the note B to D. Then you've got to slide into 12 into a pull-off back to 8. Now from there, that's just leading us into a sweeping idea. Nice, simple, descending A minor arpeggio. So from the beginning of the Tom Quayle part again, nice and slow. And then from there, a pull off to the note G and a slide down to the note E. So I'll play the Tom Quayle part, whole thing kind of complete, nice and slow for you. So thanks for checking out 50 Cent lick number 4. do all the YouTube nonsense, hit like and subscribe. That helps our channel grow. And also check out our Bandcamp page where you can purchase the lick and the transcription and the backing track for 50 cents, as well as check out our original music. We have our debut album available to stream for free or for purchase, both with vocals and without as well, if you're into that kind of thing. Take it easy.